Greetings.
Hi, how are you?
Tell me your name and where you're from.
My name is Avi, and I'm from Los Angeles.
Okay. And Avi, I know that you have mentioned to me that you want to be an instructor. You've been so motivated from all of these teachings. Tell me about that.
Yeah, well, I really came into this work from a lot of sexual dysfunction and trauma, and so I was looking at different ways to heal that. And of course, modern therapy and psychotherapy didn't work.
Yeah.
And this was really just a natural way to heal the body, to connect back with your sexual power, all of the organs, and revitalize yourself. So,
So then the healing love portion of the training, it really did sit with you to the heart.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, just really finding different ways to utilize your sexual power instead of the regular way, which is just, sexual intercourse or, draining yourself constantly. And as a man, that wasn't working anymore for me. So I really had to change my views on sexuality, on sex, and to transform my sexual energy into other useful, more efficient things in my life.
And it's helped you. And how many years have you been practicing now?
About a year and a half now. Okay. It took a while because for men, we're always draining ourselves. So really trying to shift our mental state on that was a big component of it. But Master Chia's work really helped bring me to the next level.
Yes, exactly. So now you're embodying the teachings and the trainings.
Exactly.
And it really makes such a difference than right, just reading the book. You really have to practice and be diligent about that.
And you have to have guidance. You have to have a teacher with you to make sure that you're doing it correctly.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.